Regional REDD Plus policy framework consultation workshop that's brought together the different Pacific Island countries, from the large countries, medium countries and small countries, to talk about and to finalise our collective understanding of REDD Plus, which is about reducing emissions from deforestation and degradation of forests, and it's principally about payments for ecosystem services for better managing our forests. So we came together as part of this consultation process for developing a regional policy framework to support the region, obviously, but also to, in particular, to support the smallest countries in the region so they can benefit from this kind of activity rather than just only the bigger countries who have a lot of forests. So a key point that was clear at the workshop that was raised by the group was that even though we have some countries that are very small, that only have small amounts of forests and trees, nonetheless these forests and trees play a really important role in their countries, and that looking after them, sustainably managing them, including mangroves, agroforestry, coastal forest, that kind of resource is very valuable for these countries. And REDD Plus potentially provides a source of finance to better manage those resources. And so it was recognised by the group that the financing instruments for REDD Plus need to accommodate the smallest countries in the region as well as the large ones. So we've produced a first draft of the regional policy framework text, which came about from consultations that we undertook in 5 different countries in the region. Now we've come together as a whole region to enable us to produce a second draft. So the second draft will be prepared and then circulated to the countries. And then after that, a drafting committee will gather, again from countries representing the region, to finalise the third draft. And when the third draft is complete, following a written submission process, then a final draft will be forwarded to the heads of agriculture and forestry meeting in September 2012, which is also a ministerial meeting for final endorsement. So the outcome will be a regional REDD Plus policy framework that is designed to support the region in progressing forest carbon management in the region.